Hey guys!
Hi everyone! Welcome to KC Food Pavilion. I'm your host, Mehdi.
And I'm your host, Danny.
Today, we're actually going to be talking about dried seaweed, right?
Dried seaweed.
Items that we're introducing to you guys today. They have like a lot of calcium, a lot of iodine, like a lot of different, like minerals. It has like a great synergy effect with like if you take probiotics, for example, or if you have it naturally in your diet. So I'm really excited to use what we have here. Danny, like what are we going to cook?
We are gonna do something very, very simple, like always.
Yes.
So we're gonna have a bibimbap and also some egg soup.
Okay, I think like egg soup is easy, right?
This is how it looks when you take it out from the bag. So it's all dried. And it doesn't look like it's a lot, but actually when you soak it in water, it actually becomes like a lot. So this one bag, you can actually use it for quite some time.
So when you soak it in water like that, it almost like doubles in volume.
I mean, this becomes like this.
Right,
so it becomes really big.
Like you can definitely see it here.
Yeah, I like to like soak it in the water for like 20-30 minutes before I cook.
That's so funny.
Okay, don't zoom in.
No, but it looks good. It looks good. And
rice in the middle.
Okay, I feel like for the first time in a while, I'm actually doing my job as a sous chef.
Oh, thank you.
So, amazing ingredients that we have here. We put in the seaweed. Plating is really important, as you can see. So we tried to like do our best. So this is basically the seaweed that we put in there.
There you go.
Oh my God. It looks amazing. Aw. It was
it's a smiley face.
It was way prettier before. A little bit goes a long way, and like we just put a little bit of like sesame seeds in.
You can actually add some vegetables, fried eggs, and anything you want.
What do we have to do for the egg soup?
Well, we need to whisk the eggs. Make sure we have no shells. Wow. Oh, you're such a good assistant.
Right? I'm becoming better and better. Basically, the fact that it's in like a Ziploc, like even the way of using it is like so simple. If you want to soak it, you put it in water, and then you're pretty much done.
Yeah, you're pretty much done.
And if you don't want to do that, and if you want to eat it like dried, you can do that as well. It's basically up to your like preference.
Your preference.
So it really depends on what you want to be doing.
Actually, so we're gonna use this bag of like, it's like dried seaweed. Yeah, seaweed and anchovies boiled. We're just gonna put that in. Okay. So eggs, seaweed, onions, and spring onions.
Okay, good.
That's it. So just.
That's how you do it.
Wow. So we're just gonna boil it for a bit and then take it out.
Yeah.
Well, it's up to you, but what I would do is I put little by little.
Oh.
Give us like gentle stir.
Okay. Pepper in there as well. So we're gonna wait for the soup to boil a little bit more, as Danny
just
said.
a little.
Can you tell us more about like where it comes from?
These come from Wando.
Right.
And this brand is one of the leading brands for dried seaweed. And Wando is actually a very, very popular area for seaweed in Korea because the water is so clear. Right. And everything there's no like artificial like chemicals used to grow these. Yeah, good ingredients coming from a good area. The seaweed bibimbap today, and then we have the egg soup with seaweed and some spring onions and onions, and we have the seaweed salad using chili paste. While you do that, I'm gonna mix this.
Yes.
So we can. Sorry. How is it? Good?
This is really good.
Especially when it comes from, like I said, comes from an area called Wando, which is really well known for fresh water, and everything is grown locally, no artificial chemicals added. So I would be like proud to tell you guys this is one of the K-seafood you really must try, and there's a lot you can do with it like this. Right. And it's very simple, very healthy.
Took us very little time.
I really hope you guys can try it out.
Yes. So thank you, Danny, for today.
Yeah, I have to finish this, so let's just finish.
Yes. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Thank you, Crystal. Thank you, Elijah, for tuning in, and I hope to see you guys next time on KC Food Pavilion.
Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Bye.